Every park should have one of these as soon as you come in. This is the smartest thing I've ever seen. Welcome everyone, Team 7 on another adventure. And today's adventure is coming to you from Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay. Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay? Busch Gardens, Tampa? Same thing, Tampa Bay. Rocking the new shirts. Man, so obnoxious. So, headed towards Tigris, the new roller coaster here. I'm gonna see what that's all about. And who knows? Let's see if we can get a few more POVs, Kumba, Mantu. Also, Cobra Curse, Shikra. Quite a few roller coasters here. Join us. Race is on. Here we are, Tigris, 1,788. That roll was pretty awesome. So awesome. This is awesome. That was awesome. And that was Tigris at Busch Gardens, Tampa. Okay, so next on the menu is going to be Shikra. Flawless drop coaster. You ready? You ready?
Yeah. Actually, those doors are
Oh, that feels so good.
Yeah, I was like, oh, that breeze.
Crazy view, right?
I'm not gonna be able to smell it. Open your...
Oh, that is so cool the way it does that. Oh, we gotta wait. We're the back train.
As the coaster comes to a complete stop,
Like, we can do this, we can do that. Just go.
I was not ready for that. I was not ready for that. No. Woo, love the airtime. Love the airtime. We are on the hunt. on the helix.
Oh my god.
Woo!
That is wicked! Now that I'm riding this again, this is very similar to Hagrid's.
No. And that was Sheetrow. Kumba.
Dog experience.
On to Cobra Curse. Cheetah Hut at Busch Gardens, Tampa. No, it's not. It's nothing like Hagrid's.
Not
Nothing.
even a little, you don't think so?
No. That was nothing like Hagrid's.
Maybe
Honestly, this
multiple launches?
this is way better than Hagrid's.
Oh yeah, I mean yes, it is. It is better than Hagrid's.
It's way better. Okay, so it looks like Mother Nature made up our mind for us. So we're gonna wrap up the vlog here. Another one in the books. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more, hit the subscribe button. If you want to be notified every time we upload another video, pay no mind to Kayla. Hit the bell notification right next to the subscribe button. And until the next adventure, deuces.